All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verbs. So feel. To have emotions about something. So to feel. There we are. To know sensations or impressions about something or the feel of something. I feel your pain. I understand your pain. I feel your pain. You have pain and I feel your pain. She's feeling for the door. Feeling for the door. Doesn't know where it is. I'm feeling around for my hat. Yeah, feeling around for it. I am feeling around for my hat. Yes, I have a strong feeling about this. I felt the book. I felt the book. It feels soft and yet feels fresh, clean. The book feels soft, fresh and clean. Yes. Very nice. How cool is that? Yeah. It feels nice. It feels nice. How cool is that? Yeah. He is feeling the material now. Yes, I am feeling the fabric now. This fabric here, yeah, feeling it. It's soft, not too coarse, yeah, quite stretchy, not too heavy. Yeah. I might feel weird. Whoa. I might feel weird. Whoa. They or people often feel weird after that ride. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. The food might make you feel unwell. Oh. Whoa. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So feel, to feel emotions. Feel. Yeah, or to feel something. Ooh. Or to feel around for something. Can you feel the book? How does the book feel? Very smooth. The book feels smooth. The book feels heavy. Yeah. It feels complicated. Whoa. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So feel. So can you use feel in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.